નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. In the previous we learned about introduction of bricks, different types of wall pattern and floor pattern, different type of Jali Jarukha patterns and story of Jagriti school. Now we will learn the concept of how to draw a brick. Here two photos of bricks are given. These are two photos of the same brick. In one photo we can see only one face of the brick. In the other we can see three faces. Circle the photo showing three faces. In first picture we can see three faces of bricks, okay, and in second picture we only see the first face of brick. Now here they ask us circle the photo showing three faces. Here we have to draw circle in picture which shows the three faces of brick. So here in first picture we have to do circle on it. Now here three questions are given below. Let's we read the question. How many faces in all does a brick have? Children, bricks having 6 faces. You all know having 6 faces. We already see in our previous video. Now next, is any face a square? Here they asking us brick having any square face? No, bricks don't having any square face. Now next, draw the smallest face of brick. Here you have to draw the smallest face of brick. Okay? Now next, which of these are the faces of a brick? Mark a right. Here they give us many shapes. We have to find out which shape shows the brick face. Now first you have to observe all the shapes. Okay children? Now think. Bricks having only rectangular faces. Right children? So here in these shapes, if any rectangular shapes you can see, so you have to write tick mark on these shapes. So here two shapes are in rectangular, so you have to do tick mark on it. Now next, which of these is a drawing of a brick? Mark a right. Here they give us many 3D shapes drawing like cylinder, cube, cuboid, etc. We have to decide which is the drawing of brick. Children, you all know the brick is always in rectangular shape. So you have to observe all the 3D shapes. Right? Now the answer is fourth shape. In this shape you can clearly see the faces of brick, right? So you have to do tick mark on fourth drawing. Next question, make a drawing of this box to show three of its faces. Children, here they give us the picture of geometry compass box. We have to draw the compass box showing its three faces. Here in this picture they give us three faces of this compass box. You have to draw picture like this. Okay? Next question, can you make a drawing of a brick which show 4 of its faces? So, it is not possible to draw the figure of a brick that shows 4 of its faces. So children, here you have to write answer of this question. All that will not fall. One day, Munia and Zainab are playing with bricks and making their walls. Each makes a different wall. Here, Munia and Zainab, both friends, are playing with bricks and build their walls. Each one forms a separate different wall. Here in these pictures we can see both of the walls, which is made by Zainab and Munia. We can clearly see the difference between both the walls. Now next, Zainab says her wall will not fall easily. Masons too do not put bricks one on the top of the other as Munia has done. Here Zainab said that she shows the masons to put bricks like this when they are making walls. Masons do not put the bricks like Munia put on her wall. Here they asking us question. What do you think, which wall will be stronger? Children, we can clearly see the difference between both of the wall. So here the answer is Zainab wall will the stronger because she puts bricks as like masons put on their walls. Now next, look for walls where you can see different brick patterns. Here we have to look for the walls where we can see the different brick patterns. Now next, different wall patterns. Here are photos of 3 kinds of brick walls. Can you see the difference in the way the bricks are placed? Here they give us 3 types of bricks patterns. Okay children? Now first let's we observe this pattern. Look at the first picture. How they put bricks and arrange all the bricks. Now look at the second picture. Observe it, how they arrange the bricks. Now third one, observe it clearly and see the difference between these 3 walls. Next, now match the photos of each wall with the correct drawing below. Here they give us 3 another drawing of brick design. We have to find out same picture like the above pattern and match it with their same picture. Look at the first drawing. Is any of the above picture having same brick design or pattern? Look at carefully. Yes, the third one is the same brick design. So here we have to match these both pictures. Now look at the second drawing. Is there any same design? Yes, the first one. So we have to match these both wall patterns. Now next, last one. Yes, second one is same. So we match this both wall pattern. Okay children? Now I hope you all understood the topics which we learned today. We will continue this chapter in our next video. Thank you for joining us.